Here's a quick tip in Procreate on how to save colors. Firstly, all you have to do is select a color, and we do this by holding our finger down to bring up the eyedropper. Once you have a color you like, come up to the color circle in the top right hand corner. Here we come down into the Palettes tab. In the Palettes tab, we have the option to create a new palette. Make sure you tap on the first option, Create New Palette. Here, we can tap on our new palette to save the color. Now, if you want to add another color, come back into the artwork, hold down your finger, select a new color, come back to the Color Palettes panel and tap next to your color. You can name your palette Blossom in Autumn. And there we go, now you have your palette saved. And you can even share these palettes by simply swiping to the left and tapping on share. I hope you enjoyed this video. Why not like, comment, subscribe, and check out more of my videos for tips, tricks, and tutorials on Procreate.